The third eye, often linked to our intuition, serves as a gateway to higher consciousness and enhanced perception. This mystical point, rooted in various spiritual traditions, empowers us to gain deeper insights into ourselves and the universe, ultimately boosting our spiritual growth and enriching our lives. Hypnosis is a transformative process characterized by deep relaxation and heightened mental focus. This state allows you to access your subconscious mind, bypassing logical barriers. By utilizing hypnosis, you can awaken your third eye, unlocking deeper levels of awareness and facilitating profound personal and spiritual insights. Awakening your third eye opens the door to numerous benefits. Enhanced intuition guides decision-making, clarity brings focus to your goals, and creativity unlocks new ideas. Additionally, spiritual awareness deepens your understanding of life's mysteries, fostering a more enriched and fulfilling existence in both personal and spiritual aspects. To effectively prepare for the hypnosis technique, it's crucial to find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax undisturbed. Eliminate any distractions that may hinder your focus, and set a clear intention for the session, guiding your subconscious towards the desired outcomes during the experience. In this segment, we will dive into the 2-minute sleep hypnosis technique designed to facilitate relaxation and connect with your third eye. This quick, guided process allows you to tap into your subconscious, fostering receptivity and awareness, paving the way for deeper spiritual insights and clarity. Following the hypnosis, it's important to recognize the signs of your third eye awakening, such as enhanced intuition, vivid dreams, and increased awareness. Integrating this newfound perception into daily life involves mindfulness practices, journaling insights, and trusting your intuition, thereby enriching your spiritual journey in everyday experiences. As we conclude this journey, we appreciate your participation and hope you found the content valuable. Engaging with our community is essential, so please like and subscribe for more insights on spiritual growth and mindfulness techniques. We encourage you to share your experiences in the comments to inspire others.